Here is how to enroll for a biometrics appointment. Please read the instructions carefully and click on Proceed to start the procedure. You need to enter your mobile number in order to receive your one-time password. Refrain from making multiple attempts. After you click on Validate One-Time Password, select your Visa Application Center and select the number of applicants. Then proceed to upload the first page of each applicant's biometric instruction letter, which will look like this. Next, enter your date of birth, mobile number, and your email ID. Select Yes as an option if the name printed on the biometric instruction letter is correct as per the name mentioned in your passport. Click Submit to successfully submit your appointment request. If you have any queries, please contact Away Education.